activity, we're going to be making some binoculars. It's a simple activity that the children can take part in and be involved. You don't need much equipment. It's 2 toilet rolls and you can sterilise them in the oven, which the instructions will be on the work plan. Some paint, some glue, some stickers to decorate, or you can use glitter at the end, and some ribbon. So I have a paintbrush and we will paint. You can choose any colour, and I'm sure they'll want to make it a rainbow maybe, or their favourite colour. So once we've painted both of the toilet rolls, we'll leave it to dry, maybe pop it outside or it should dry. And then the next step, what your child can do is add some ready glue and we're going to stick them together. And we will let these dry. I've also added 2 holes. I've made 2 holes in the sides, and that'll be ready to thread the ribbon for our binoculars. So now it's dry and it's glued and it's got its lovely pink ribbon on. So now it's time to decorate. What's good about the stickers is it's really good. One, it's fun for the children to decorate their own binocular, but also it's good for their pencil grip and to strengthen their finger muscles for writing. So I'm going to put, of course, a smiley face because I'm feeling happy today. There we go. Nice smiley faces, because we're always happy in daisies. Okay, maybe I'll add some little stars. As you can see, I'm peeling so you can understand it's really good pencil grip. This one doesn't want to come up. Okay. So, okay, we'll get the idea of decorating. I could add a few more on there. There we go. And we're ready to go on our adventure. So, I have my scavenger come Daisy's bear hunt ready to go on my adventure. Hope you have a good time, guys. Bye. Hi daisies, you're probably wondering where I am. Well, I'm hiding with my bear in my den. And I've got my binoculars ready and I'm ready to go on Daisy's scavenger hunt. So I hope you have fun doing it too. Bye.